what is given here. So there's a blank. Yeah, I'll go to the next one. So what is there? So and friends, this is very important again. X plus 1 by x very recently and mostly the problem is given and is asking to find x square plus 3x plus 1 and x square plus 7x plus 1. So this is very simple. Try to simplify x plus, yeah, try to take one more color. This color will be picking up. Yeah, this is very simple. X plus, sorry, this is given as x plus 1 by x is equal to 1. Simplify this, then what will happen? So it will become denominator will become x, and you cross multiply x square, it will become plus 1 is equal to x. So that what you do is, from this implies it will get as x square plus 1 is nothing but x. So from the given problem we try to do what is given here. It is x square, here it is 1. So what is x square plus 1? It is x. Instead of these two things I'm writing 1 only. And what is other thing left over here? 3x, right? And what is x square and plus 1? That is nothing but x square plus 1 is nothing but x. So what is there? 7x. So it is like 4x by 8x. So x will cancel, then 4 by 8 will be, our answer will be 1 by 2. So the answer will be 1 by 2. This is how you will be getting the answer easily. So don't confuse, you'll get the answer easily. X square, then don't go for the formulas a plus b whole square, all those things. Simply simplify this equation, you'll get the answer in simple terms. In the same way, what about this problem? So friends, we know that this will become, here it will become x square and plus 2 is nothing but, here it goes and x square plus 2 will become x. Then what about the problem? So here it is x square and here it is 2 given. So x square plus 2 will become x. Already x is given here. So what we do from here is, yeah, we'll try to shift x here. So x square, this x goes to this, then minus it will become, then we try to send the plus 2 here. These two interchange will happen. X becomes here minus x, plus 2 goes there, minus 2 it will become. So try to find out x from here. X minus 1, this will become minus 2. Yeah, so x square into 1 minus x is given. So this is 2x by x in x square into 1 minus x. So here 1 x will cancel. We'll try to cancel 1x. So here 1x will be cancelled and here square will be cancelled because x square is nothing but x into x. So 1x will cancel. So what you get is 2 by x into 1 minus x. So but you know that 2 is nothing but 2 only, but x into 1 minus x. So what is that x into 1 minus x? Here what we got is x square minus x, means x common, you take x common, so it has become. So try to write this as x into, you interchange this 1 minus x, means you are multiplying with minus. The same way you need to change this also, 2 it will become. So x into 1 minus x is nothing but 2, 2 by 2. So the answer will be 1. So x plus 2 by x is nothing but 1 he has given. So that is how you need to solve the problem. And if you want to take any substitution here, it is very difficult to get. The only way to do the problem is this way. X plus 2 by x is 1. So try to get this as the problem. This is very famous question, once again asked in the exam. This is the direct way. So we are coming to the end, and this kind of problems are asked many times in the exam. So what are the problems? So first go to the first problem given. So this is x plus y is equal to 4 and 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 4. Friends, as I said, this is very important. And whenever x plus y is equal to 4 and 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 4, directly you write from these two things, you can infer that xy is equal to 1. Straight away xy is equal to 1. Then what is a cube plus b cube? As I said, those were very important. A cube plus x cube plus y cube is nothing but, this is nothing but x plus y whole cube minus 3xy into x plus y. So even if you find the shortcut, it will be very difficult. Whatever it is, x plus y whole cube. What is given x plus y? It is given as 4 in the problem, x plus y. So try to pick the value from here. X plus y is 4. So this is 4 cube minus 3 into what is x by 1 4, what is x plus y 4. So what is that you'll be getting? 64 minus 3 into 1 1 and 2, 3 4s are 12, so 652 will be your answer. So what you need to do is remember this formula: x cube plus y cube is nothing but x plus y whole cube minus 3xy into x plus y. This is very important. So whenever x plus y is equal to some value and 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to same value, then xy will be 1. Try to remember this simple one so that your answer will be easy. One step solution, so everything is given to you in the same way. So whenever x power 4, see, whenever x power 4 plus 1 by x power 4 is equal to 119, what you need to do is, here he is asking us to find the value of x cube minus 1 by x cube. So try to get less values than this. So what I try to do is x square plus 1 by, I try to find x square plus 1 by x square. It is something like from x power 4 you are finding x square. How do you find from x power 4? So you try to write a root to the particular value. The same way, what I try to do is I'll write a root to this value. Here I write a root from x power 4 to x square. I write a root in the same way. From 119, what I write is I write root to this 119. But what I have to do is I need to add plus 2. 119 plus 2. So whenever you are getting from 4 to 2, you need to add plus 2. From 2 to 1, in the same way, if you are trying to find x, if x square plus 1 by x square is 119, then you are trying to find x plus 1 by x. In the same way, what you do need to do is root, you need to write 119 plus 2. Plus 2 is common. Plus 2 is common. So in this kind of problem, so if you are trying to find x square plus 1 by x square, you need to add root 119 plus 2. So this will become root 121. So the answer would be 11. But what is that you need to find? You need to find x cube minus 1 by x cube. So we know that a cube minus 1 by a cube minus b cube is nothing but a cube. It will be x minus 1 by x whole cube plus 3xy into, what is that thing? You need to find out x minus 1 by x. So this is what you'll be getting. What is x here? What is x here? X. What is 1 y? 1 by x. So you need to find x minus 1 by x. If you know this value, the answer will be very easy. So from this we can write x plus 1 by x. So x plus 1 by x is nothing but, you'll be getting like this: x plus 1 by x is nothing but square root of 11 plus 2 you'll be getting. So this is one way. And if you can find also x minus 1 by x from this. What is x minus 1 by x? You'll be getting it as 11 minus 2. So what is it? Root 9 it will be. So the answer will be 3. So x minus 1 by x, you got it as 3. Fine. So try to substitute the values. So this x minus 1 by x entire value, you got it as 3. The entire value, you got it as 3. Take this 3 and substitute over here in the problem. And how do you substitute this value? Yeah, whenever x minus 1 by x is there, you write as 3 cube, and plus 3 is there. What is x? X is nothing but x, and y is nothing but 1 by x here in the problem. And what is x minus 1 by x? It is nothing but 3. This 3 will cancel. This is nothing but 27 plus 3 into 3. So try to do this as homework. 27 plus 9. This is homework for you. Do as homework. Then, yeah friends, I'll explain this problem again. So these two are very important. In order to solve this kind of problems, what you need to have is, you need to know the values of x cube plus these two formulas: a cube plus b cube and a minus b whole cube, a cube minus b cube kind of formulas. So in the first problem, directly it is given when x plus y is equal to 4 and 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 4, you'll be getting xy is equal to 1. So directly you can do that problem. It's not a big deal. And what about the second problem? See friends, whenever you're trying to find from x power 4 to x square, you try to write a root. So in the same way we write a root, but we add 2 for each and every stage. From x power 4 to x square you find, you add 2. And from x square to x you find, from root, in root you'll be adding 2. So as we have seen in the problems, in which problem we have seen? We have seen in the first examples only we have seen. Go through the examples once again. Yeah, here we have seen, you see, from x you need to find x square, then square this n and try to write minus. From x power 4 to x square you are doing, so what you do is square this value and add 2. This is how we have done. So when there is a plus, you'll be getting plus here. When there is a minus, you'll be getting minus here. Whereas here, when there is a plus, try to find a straight way, you'll get minus. When there is a plus, you'll be getting minus. This is how we have done. Yeah, again we'll go to the problem what we are discussing. Yeah, this is the problem. So from this x plus 1 by x also it will become like root, but this is not required for us. So what is required? X minus 1 by x, this is nothing but 11 minus 2, that is nothing but minus 9 3. So we are trying to solve the problem by this method. X minus 1 by x is nothing but 3 cube plus 3 into x xy means x is nothing but x, y is nothing but second value is 1 by x, y is nothing but 1 by x. So x will cancel, so you will be getting the answer as homework. Try to do this problem. Okay. Yeah, then go to the next problem what is given. Maybe this problem, yeah, 55 cube plus 17 cube minus 72 cube plus 201960. Wow, it's very difficult it seems. Yeah, 55 cube we need to find out, 17 cube we need to find out, and 72 cube we need to find out. But friends, whenever this problem is given like this, try to identify one logic. What is the first number? This is 55. What is the second number? This is 17. So what is the first number? This is 55. What is the second number? This is 17. What is the third number? Minus 72. 55 plus 17 is nothing but 72. So when you are adding these numbers, so this is nothing but what? This is a cube. I say this is a, I say this is b, I say this is c. So what I'm getting by these three is a plus b plus c is equal to 0. Then when a plus b plus c is equal to 0, I said it's a 5-star question, you need to remember that. Then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is nothing but 3abc you are getting, 3abc you are getting. So yeah, a cube plus b cube plus c cube is nothing but 3abc you are getting. So here it is given as a cube plus b cube plus c cube, and you try to find out. Yeah, the problem given here is it is not plus, it is minus. Here it is minus, it's not plus. So try to find out what is this 201960. It will become as it is like 3 into 55. This is straight way problem. This is a very straight problem. 17. Sorry, it is plus only. Sorry, it is plus only, and it is nothing but 3 into 55 into 17 into 72. But here it is minus, friends, minus 72. So yeah, let me explain you once again so that you're missing some clarity in this problem. Let me explain you once again, it should not confuse you. Yeah, so try to take these numbers. So what we have got is a plus b plus c is equal to 0. We got is a cube plus b cube. So I try to write out this as 55 cube plus 17 cube minus 72 cube. And what I try to write is we know that 201960. Friends, blindly go for this kind of problems. Not, there will not be any great logic. Blindly it will be 3 into 55 into 17 into 72. Yeah, I can write it as minus 3 into 55 into 17 into and minus 72, because this minus and minus will become plus. That is the reason it is given as plus. Plus I split it to two words. So what it is, a cube plus b cube plus c cube, a cube plus b cube plus c cube. So what is this? This is nothing but 3abc. 3 into 55 into 17 into minus 72. So here again the same thing is given already, 55 into 17 into minus 72. So here the same thing, here it is the same thing. So what will be your answer when there are same things given? So same things, when you're subtracting you will get the answer as 0. For this kind of problem there will not be any great logic, directly you'll get the answer as 0. uh, yeah, this is how we solve the problems. So what I solved is very basic problems through substitution. Should not go through the any method. And try to remember one thing, that the formula of a cube minus b cube, this is very important. That formula is very important. A cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube, this is very very important. These kind of problems were very frequent in the exam, and what the problems I have discussed over here are all the problems from previous year exams. So this is what the class is, friends. uh, Thank you, and we'll be solving some other problems from the same topic in the next class. Thank you, and subscribe us at we focus classes in YouTube. Thank you.